Hello guys, welcome to the info channel. So this is me Ranga from closecourier.com. Today in this video we are going to learn how can we check our overstay fine or the visa fine online for the United Arab Emirates. There are the three ways we can check. The first is we can check on the GDRFA website in Dubai. The another is ICP website. The last one is we can check through the official app of GDRFA or the ICP. Let's learn how can we check. First of all, you have to open your browser on phone or computer. Then type here GDRFA Dubai. Okay, when you type, the first search result is the official website of GDRFA or General Directorate of Residency and Foreign Affairs Dubai. Open it. Okay, scroll down a little bit. Here you will find the fine and inquiry. Click it. Okay, here are the options. The four options you can apply to check your visa fine in the UAE. The first one is file number. The second is unified number. Third is Emirate ID. Fourth is passport number. If you know the file number, you can check from here. UDB number, Emirates ID or passport number. The most preferable is a passport number because many people they might not have the file number, unified numbers. I'm going to teach you through the passport number. Okay, click here, enter your passport number, choose your nationality from here, date of birth, and you have to choose the date of birth from here, and what is your gender, male or female. Check I am not a robot box and submit it. The GDRFA website will show you the result. The another is the Emirates ID. Type your Emirates ID here, choose the date of birth and your gender. Check the I am not a robot and submit. Okay, it is a very easy way you can check your visa fine for the United Arab Emirates. Okay, let's go to another way how to check on the ICP website. Go and type ICP Smart Service. Okay, ICP Smart Service, click here. The first result is the official website of ICP. Okay, when you are on the ICP website, first of all, go to the public services, fine and leave permit. Go to the fine and leave permit. Here you will find the fine pay, fine violation and entry permit. Start service. You can check through your file number or you can check with citizen of certain country. Okay, this is only available for the few country, not all the country. Okay, let's learn how to check through the file number. You have to type the file number here. The file number is mentioned department, year, service and sequence. You have to type on it. Choose your date of birth from here. Choose your nationality, which country you belongs to. Check the I am not a robot, search. The result will be available. The second option is the citizen of certain country. Okay, it is only for certain country people can use this service. Type your passport number. What type of passport you are holding? Just temporary passport, domestic passport, private passport. Choose your date of birth from here. Choose which country you belongs to from here. I am not a robot. Search. The result will be so. These are the very easiest way you can trace your visa fine for the United Arab Emirates. The last one is you can use the GDRFA applications. You have to download the GDRFA application on your phone, register as a user account. After registering, you have to log in. When you log in, you will find the service. It is applicable for the tourist visa or the residency visa. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you like this video, I request you to thumb up, share the video for your friend. They might be also benefit from this video. Bye.